In this video we are going to talk about the best bullet blender in this year, which is Ninja QB3001 SS Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. The Ninja QB3001 SS Ninja Fit is a compact personal blender designed for individuals or small households. Here are some key details and features commonly associated with this blender. Design and size. The Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is known for its compact and space-saving design. It typically has a sleek and streamlined appearance, with a small footprint that makes it suitable for smaller kitchens or for those with limited counter space. Motor power and blades. This blender usually features a relatively powerful motor, allowing it to handle a variety of blending tasks. It is equipped with stainless steel blades designed to blend ingredients efficiently and produce smooth and consistent results. Single-serve cups. The Ninja Fit usually comes with 1 or 2 single-serve cups, which are typically made of durable, BPA-free plastic. These cups usually have convenient flip-top lids that allow you to blend and drink from the same container, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Pulse technology. Many Ninja Fit blenders incorporate pulse technology, which provides precise control over the blending process. This feature allows you to blend ingredients in short bursts, giving you better control over the texture and consistency of your blend. Ease of use and cleaning. The Ninja Fit blender is often praised for its user-friendly design. It typically has simple controls and is easy to assemble, disassemble, and clean. Most of its components are dishwasher safe, which makes the cleaning process more convenient. Versatility. While the Ninja Fit is primarily designed for blending, it may also have additional functions, such as chopping, pureeing, or grinding. Some models may come with different blending containers or attachments to enhance the blender's versatility. Please note that the specific details and features of the Ninja QB3001 SS Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender may vary, and it's always a good idea to refer to the product description or official documentation for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Additionally, for detailed reviews, I recommend checking reputable e-commerce websites or online review platforms where you can find feedback and experiences from actual users of the product. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.